think we could have a question.
To start.
To start.
I'll be honest, this is a difficult, not that difficult, but it's uncomfortable to do it in this kind of platform.
Yes. So the question that we need to ask each other is, what was the moment you realized you needed to change?
Well, number one is that when we started to observe the changes in our body, we're no longer healthy as compared to many years back. And then another thing is that our nighttime has become attention. Not attention in ATPENTION, but becomes attention, TENSION. Because it's supposed to be something that you need to look forward to reconnect with your partner, to reconnect with your spouse. But because we've been dealing with so much responsibilities, we were entangled with so many issues before, it also affects our intimacy. And sadly, I found comfort in other things to pass on the night.